Gimana kemarin itu? Udah? Belum.
Siapa saja yang udah datang ada buat daftar ini ya.
Ini lagi itu.
Kita tuh dapat ini dapat award ya. Di mananya sih tapi rasa
964
perguruan tinggi pelaksana dengan mitra perguruan tinggi terbaik. Gaya terus gitu.
Bus itu kumaha tinggal di
usaha merdeka mah bukan kita.
apartemen.
Wirausaha mah dengan KUI.
Ibu juga ada yang saluran.
Iya makanya saya nanya ini benar KUI dan masa nggak ada konfirmasi. Halo. Oh, you may want to fill the today's attendance first.
Itu bukannya apa
Siapa? Mana? Pak Heri. From Pak Heri ya.
Ayo makan dulu ya itu ambil.
Pai anu cerita mana? Yeah, that's yours. No worries. Sok siapa lagi Pak?
At least you could have made a recording and go back home and listen to it.
Yeah. Mesinnya habis ya? Tadinya kita ngajakin langsung di review. Okay, you can pick your lunch and then have it there. Kurang berapa lagi Bu? Yang nggak bisa datang berapa lagi? How can I call you? Kamu from? Tanzania. Okay. Enjoy your lunch.
Kawan baik.
Halo, siapa?
Dari Sudan.
Baik, udah lancar bahasa Indonesia. Udah semua ya?
Baca ini.
ini kan kita nggak buat kita empat
mampu makan dulu.
Jangan KNBT ibu pribadi tapi jangan hari ini. Kalau lihat daftar namanya.
Nah ya,
Kami nanti kia bu sebelumnya kalau tidak bermasalah iya nanti bulan jadi
Uang bisa nggak ada, yang bayar nggak ada. Faksa ada.
Faksa Jakarta.
Nolia, udah pulang
Nah,
ya.
dia udah pulang.
Surayuda,
ada
Usama,
sama ada
oke, Rosnida,
Rosneda di Bandung sama Idi ada. Jadi sakit apa? Oh, sakit hati. Nah, nanti kalau sakit hati obatnya bilangin sama hati lagi. Ada hati ayam.
Bapak dengar ya ini mah pada nggak ada tapi yang Viko, oh ini baru ya.
Ini yang baru ya.
Tapi bilangnya di Viko masih di kan? Tapi di Viko Oh,
Terima udah.
dari salah Prodina kan? S3-nya iya mah Viko kan?
Itu masuk
Bilal sama Bilal.
Oh, kalau mau dimasukin pakai
Bilal
plastik nanti tempat.
Bilal kan kesulitan belajar teknik.
memberikan
Yang gitu semua Pokoknya kalau mau dimasukin pakai plastiknya masukin. Nah gitu. Ada apa-apa.
Sambil ngobrol aja ya Bu ya. Ada lagi yang belum? Oh, Tri ya. Sebelum mereka pada datang. Apa ada yang mau disampaikan? Asal rada-rada ini ya. Udah. Ini terbiasa aja sih ngapa ini. Ada dipikirkan sebenarnya kalau kalau ada teguran kan nanti masuk kan jadi bukan kurang gitu loh Pak ya masih jadi biarin aja saya mau maksudnya aku kudu ngalus upload tadi kita sudah presentasi dan yang mana tapi tidak bisa itu kita ngeluarin SK memang untuk yang program ini kita kita nggak ada yang tapi nanti saya coba ngobrol sama di sana kan biayanya kecil bensin itu terlalu berat nanti kami saya
Kalau ke Sarpresnya kata Pak Edi dibikin surat aja minta keringanan namanya berapa gitu.
tapi kalau benar-benar mudah-mudahan ya
Isi tempat
udah semua Bu sampai semua
sedang remuk namanya. Kenapa begitu bukan meningkatkan ini?
Mana itu siapa bilang?
Tapi ngasih makan ke temannya
Oh, temannya orang mana, orang kita?
orang Pakistan.
Anak KMB
Ada
bukan?
Farhan, bukan itu pertanian. Pokoknya aku hari Abi tadi kalau kakak saya teh, kamu udah kembali lagi ke sini. Padahal masih anu hiji deui nih anu ka Jepang teh. Si Nisa gitu. Ngerti pola.
Saya sendok teh paling
Eta Abi geus tos nyana ke dinya aya teu.
ini kalau tidak memakai itu pakai ini.
Itu siapa tadi juga nggak bisa pakai chopstick katanya.
Soleram tuh gak bisa pakai plastik.
Bisa nggak? You can? Can you?
Nah, eta buat
Bisa, coba. Oke, kita mulai aja ya sambil nunggu Bilal. Oke, so everyone, good afternoon. You can enjoy your lunch. So while eating, you still can listen to this. Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Maybe it's the first time for you all to meet me. My name is Anggia Utami Dewi, and just few weeks ago, I've been appointed as the new head of international office of UNPAD. So I've listened some stories from all the staff here, which is, of course, I want to express personally, my sincere apologies for any discomforts you may face or face during your very first weeks here in UNPAD. Okay. So, but then I hope you also understand that I'm trying my best to catch up with what's actually the problems that you are facing, and then what can we do more to support you. So that's the first thing I want to say. First, I want to extend my sincere apology for not being able to meet you all sooner, because I was away for some business trips, and I came back here maybe just a few days ago, and then Bu Ice, Pak Ai, and then Bu Asri, all of them contacted me and then reported about your complaints regarding the housing, etc. So please rest assured that I'm trying my best to discuss this with the university's senior leaders, and then those who actually can make decision makings regarding these issues. So I'm already speaking to some of the related, head of office, as well as the director for housing, student housing, etc. But because this is very recent, we are still trying, to know each other, because many people are newly appointed. But then I raised these issues about the well-being of international students in UNPAD. So thank you so much for sharing your concerns. Please rest assured that I'm taking it very seriously. So, and then I want to introduce as well my colleague here. She is Madam Safitri. She speaks French, that's why we call her Madam. She is also like me. We are from the same department. Me and Madam Safitri are teaching at the Department of International Relations at the Faculty of Social and Political Sciences. So, in addition to my main role as academics, I'm also here trying to help UNPAD in taking care of internationalization matters. Of course, the administrations and then all the services to international students as well. So thank you and sorry once again. And also what I would like to inform you today, because all of you are here under the support of KNB Scholarship, Kemitraan Negara Berkembang Scholarship. Of course, because the money comes from the government, there are also certain regulations which make us should comply with the regulations, including the monitoring and evaluation procedures like what we have today. In that sense, in accordance to this monitoring of evaluations, of course, you may be able to share your concerns to the Ministry of Higher Education. Do not worry. I will not say that you should only say good things about UNPAD. You should raise about the concerns you are facing. However, you may also want to share with them that within a very short time, Pak Roni, the previous head, also ensured that your previous concerns were shared with the director of university infrastructure. That's why you were allowed to move from the previous accommodation to the current one. But I understand that there are the issues of the amount that you have to pay. So previously, UNPAD had its own regulations because we understand that the living allowance that you get every month is not that big, and then we had this kind of like discretion of policy which you don't have to pay. So the living costs and the accommodations related fund, I mean like the cost that you have to pay is waived. However, it was just last month, I think we got a visit from the how to say BPK, yeah. So it's like a finance yes, like the office, like from the government. They are like checking on our systems, including this cooperation program that we received from the Indonesian government. And apparently, based on that regulations, we are not allowed to provide you free accommodations because they have to, follow and I don't know, like comply with the national regulations. But then I understand that according to the stated amount of we have to pay is around, I don't know, like 600, 700 per month, which I assume is not really, I think that's a bit too high.